one Nigerian national was living in that premises. It was one of the rooms in that premises, and different kinds of substances which are suspected to be narcotic substances were seized. So this includes around 2 kilos of more than 2 kilos of substance which is suspected to be MDMA, around more than 1 kilo of substance which is suspected to be cocaine, more than 700 grams, around 740 if I'm not wrong, grams of substance which is suspected to be amphetamine. More than 100 grams of charas and more than 1 kilo of substance which is suspected to be ganja. He also has 2 involvements of cases against him. We'll be looking into the matter right now. We don't have details regarding his the stage of trial. That we'll have to check that. But this seizure is one of the biggest seizures done by Goa police in recent times. And also some cash was also seized. Around 2 lakhs cash was also seized. So the total seizure we are approximately calculating it to be around of 3 crores, which in itself is a very big achievement for Calangute police station.